there. Right now we are walking back to our tent. When we get there, I think we're going to get ready, go start walking to the beach so we can go snorkeling. I almost stepped on this silver spotted tiger moss. Ooh, we don't know if it's poisonous or not.
We just put our wetsuits on and they're so tight and uncomfortable, especially around the neck. So we've got Jelly Bean, Buttercup, and I actually left my snorkel mask back at the campsite, which is almost half a mile. So Grandpa went back to get it for me. He's so nice. Good Grandpa. All right, Demogorgon is ready to go. There's Sonic back there. So everybody's got their wetsuits on. Honored Sir is not going to go in the water. I'm the only one brave enough to actually get in the water, and I was gonna try to put my snorkel mask on. So when I've done this before, I've worn booties and gloves, but I forgot them. I'm kind of just dealing with what I've got, which is a 5mm wetsuit and then a 2 on top of it. I'm gonna try to get my face under here. Come on, guys! I ended up snorkeling, and Buttercup ended up snorkeling, and Jelly Bean did. But the other kids were too nervous to try it. We saw hundreds and hundreds of fish. It was so cool. The water was just crystal clear and calm, and we swam through these kelp forests. It was really, really amazing.
We saw a lot of fish. We saw bluefish, and we saw this really bright orange fish.
It's a Garibaldi.
And we saw jellyfish.
2 hours later.
We are taking a walk. Right now we are going back to our campsite. Maybe we might hang out at the beach for a few minutes.
Okay, look at me. Let me. So turn. Let me see. Normal ear, bug bite ear. It's giant.
Comment down below if you see the difference.
Kids are behind me building some sandcastles. And I'm gonna go out here and look at the water. There's Honored Sir checking his emails because there's only cell service right out here by the water. Hey. Oh, it ran away. Oh, it's right there under the bridge. So these foxes are all over this island, and we see them constantly.
I want to show you the rock kind of shells I collected at the beach. So first we have cool rock. Look at it. It's like this one. You might be impressed. So look.
Hey guys.
I feel like there's something in it. Look at it. So cool. Literally, look at that. It's so cool. And next one, you might be amazed. One that Mom found and gave me. So like, you might think it's cool, and then whoa, it's awesome cool.
It's dinner time here at camp, and we're having ramen tonight. Grandpa's having spicy mac
And cheese.
dreamy mac. Spicy, smoky, dreamy mac.
I'm having this yummy ramen.
And then we've got some Tapatio ramen and some shrimp ramen, some mashed potatoes. I'm having this pho. That's a pretty simple dinner.
This is mostly.
The next morning.
Well, hello there. We're still here at Santa Cruz Island, and we have some sea kayaks arriving today off the boat that we rented. So we're going to do a little bit of sea kayaking today.
There's the Gorgon. There's from. There's orange, sir.
You can wear
There's
those,
goose.
but let's take off the
And
overalls
so
we
it's
have
in the
on
tent.
and put on a synthetic shirt.
This is where we are. This is our campsite. This is over here. And we're trying to and we've seen a lot today. And if we're wondering what that is, that's a broken tree branch. It broke this morning. And today, I'm excited. We already went swimming yesterday. It was cold. There's also days over here. I can't believe how much days there. Right now, what we are doing is we are going to our boats.
Demogorgon caught one of these guys, and they're so fast. I can't believe she caught it.
It's like a silverfish, but a silver. I know there's silver and there's some sort of fighter thing. Now I can kind of see the feet. They're like kind of red.
They're very cute.
I got a mosquito bite and it kind of got bigger, and I had an allergy attack from them.
Jellybean is very, very allergic to mosquito bites, and I can't really pick it up on camera, but there's the mosquito bite, and it's swollen, and it also makes her itchy and uncomfortable, and she's having such a strong histamine reaction that her whole self is uncomfortable. So when we get home from this trip, I'm gonna have to do some research about what we can do about that on the trail, because there's definitely gonna be mosquitoes on the trail, and we can't have one mosquito bite causing such a large histamine reaction. Here's a little status update on my ankle. I'm 6 weeks out now from the break, and it's feeling really good. It's feeling better and better every day. Even since the beginning of this trip a few days ago, it's feeling better than it was. I'm definitely able to walk and do short hikes on it, no problem. Walking over rocks and unstable ground, it still feels unstable. But walking along flat paths, it's really feeling good. These kayaks that were just unloaded, 3 of them are ours. They're double kayaks.
We are going Potato Harbor. Finished over 3 miles. What? We are now going back, and it's going to be a little shorter than normal because of we're taking the shortcut. Ain't that right, Mama?
Sure.
Okay, so here we go. We are almost there. Right now we are in this beautiful mustard patch.
we're just getting ready for bed now on our last night on the island. This is our third night, and the kids have given us a pretty hard time, but we're got them in their tent now, and hopefully they're gonna go to sleep pretty soon. And we'll see you tomorrow morning.